Sa video na to, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin ang Phantom Buster para automatic ka makagawa ng listahan ng local business lead. What's up guys? I'm Ashley at kung gusto mong magbenta ng services sa mga local businesses, get your product into more shops, or just connect with small business owners in a specific area, ang video na to ay para sa'yo. Sa tutorial na to, ipapakita ko kung paano gumawa ng list nang hindi mo kailangan magtagal kakakuha ng names manually mula sa Google Maps o Yelp. Let's get into it. So first off, ano ba ang Phantom Buster? Ang Phantom Buster is isang no-code automation platform that will help you extract data at mag-automate ng tasks sa mga website tulad ng LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Google Maps, at marami pang iba. Bawat automation dito ay tinatawag na Phantom at bawat isa ay ginawa para sa isang specific na task, gaya ng pag-scrape ng search results, pag-collect ng business details, or enriching a contact list with public data. You don't need to know how to code. Phantom Buster offers a full library of pre-built templates, so kung gusto mong gumawa ng cold lead list, mag-track ng followers, o mag-monitor ng public data, you can set up the workflow once and it runs on background. Sa video na to, mag-focus tayo sa paggamit ng Phantom Buster para kumuha ng business info galing sa Google Maps, gamit ang keyword, location, and then use that data to create usable lead list for outreach, partnerships, or client prospecting. So why does local lead generation still work? Madalas na-overlook ang mga local businesses sa mundo ng digital marketing, pero sila pa rin ang malaking backbone ng economy. Kahit anong ina-offer mo, web design, social media management, consulting, advertising, software, o kahit local PR, sobrang effective pa rin mag-reach out sa local businesses, especially when you have accurate data and clear value proposition. Ang issue, sobrang time-consuming gawin yung mga listahan manually, like pag-search mo ng yoga studios in Austin, tapos iisa-isahin mo pa bawat listing, copying phone numbers and emails. It's tedious, repetitive, and frankly, just not the best use of your time as a founder or marketer. Ang Phantom Buster lets you automate all of that. Isang search lang, kukunin niya lahat ng listings at meron ka ng malinis na spreadsheet ng qualified leads na ready na for outreach. So, tara gawin natin yung step by step. Mula sa pagsarap ng Phantom Buster account mo hanggang sa pag-export ng final lead list. Kung gusto mong sabayan to, nasa description below yung exclusive link namin. Pag-click mo lang nun, ilagay mo yung email address mo tapos i-click yung start free trial. Hindi mo pa kailangan maglagay ng credit card info. So before we get into the actual specific Phantom that we're gonna go over, gusto ko lang muna ipakita saglit yung dashboard para malinaw sa'yo kung anong meron sa loob ng Phantom Buster. As you can see on this side over here, we've got the launch type, activity, strategy, and platforms. Lahat yan ay mga filter na pwede mong gamitin para mas madali mong mahanap yung kailangan mo. Dito mo makikita lahat ng active and inactive phantoms mo, kagaya nito. LinkedIn search to emails. Makikita mo na nakamark siya as success. Halimbawa, kung may 10 phantoms kang tumatakbo at gusto mong makita lang yung mga nakapause o may error, pwede mo silang i-filter dito. Pwede mo rin i-filter kung manual o automatic yung mga phantoms mo. Tapos kung pupunta ka sa solutions, dito mo makikita lahat ng iba't ibang phantoms. Pwede mo rin i-filter dito based sa popular platforms tulad ng LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, Google, Instagram, o HubSpot, pati na rin sa strategy gaya ng extracting leads, enriching data, engaging with leads, at iba pa sa baba. Ang dami nilang phantoms na pwedeng pagpilian, so just make sure you search if there's something specific that you wanna find. Okay, ngayon na nagets mo na kung paano gumagana ang Phantom Buster at ano itsura ng dashboard. Tara simulan na natin to step by step. Step 1, hanapin mo muna yung target area ng niche mo. Bago ka pa magbukas o pumili ng kahit anong phantom, we wanna be clear about what kind of business you're targeting and where. Halimbawa, pwede ka mag-target ng mga coffee shop, dentist, yoga studio, accountant, o florist. Yung location naman, pwedeng specific city, zip code, or region. Isulat mo muna yan and tandaan mo kasi importante yan para sa next step natin. Step 2, punta tayo sa Google Maps, itype natin something like coffee, or gawin nating yoga studios in Denver. Simple lang, di ba? Ngayon, kukunin natin tong link. Once na napili mo na yung area or region na gusto mo, kung gusto mo, mas malawak, pwede mag-zoom out, i-copy-paste lang natin to. Pero ako mag-zoom in para hindi sobrang dami ng results at hindi matagalan mag-load. So, ayan, ready na tayo gawin to. Step number 3, punta tayo sa solutions. Dito sa search bar, itatype lang natin Google Maps, ayan, perfect. Ito yung gagamitin natin. Then, ipipaste lang natin yung URL na kinopya natin kanina. Pwede mo rin piliin yung language na gusto mo at ilang spreadsheet rows ang gusto mong i-process per launch. Optional lang to. Para sa number ng results per search, gawin lang natin na 50. Pwede mo rin i-check yung option para ma-extract yung GPS coordinates ng bawat location. You can name your results file as well if you'd like. Let's call it Yoga Studio. Okay. Tapos, i-click natin yung save. Next, gusto nating piliin yung launch frequency. Importante na i-spread mo yung launches mo sa iba't ibang oras ng araw. Ideally, during office hours para save yung account mo. You can select repeated and then choose 3 times, 4 times a day, or go with advanced where you can set specific minutes, hours, days, or months. Sa example na to, gagawin lang natin siyang once. Pero normally, tatakbo siya automatically depende sa frequency na sinet mo. Pag okay na lahat, i-click mo lang yung launch at lalabas na dito lahat ng activity at results mo. Step number 5 ay review the output. Pag tapos na yung Phantom, makakakuha ka ng full spreadsheet na may business name, address, phone number, website, Google rating, number of reviews, latitude, longitude, business category, and Google Maps link. Ito na yung raw lead list mo. Kung gusto mo bang i-level up, pwede mo i-enrich yung data gamit ang ibang Phantoms o tools. Halimbawa, hanapin yung pangalan ng email ng owner gamit ang hunter.io, drop contact, o Clearbit. Step number 6, clean at i-segment yung lead list mo. Pag meron ka ng raw file, punta ka at linisin to. Remove duplicates, filter by business with websites if you only want ones with a digital presence, and sort by rating or number of reviews to prioritize active businesses. Pwede ka rin mag-add ng column para sa outreach status. Halimbawa, contacted, replied, follow-up. Kung gagamitin mo to para sa email outreach o sales prospecting, makakatulong to para ma-organize ka at ma-track yung progress mo. Like I said, you also have the option to schedule the automation to run browser however often you want. Kaya kung palagi kang nag-target ng parehong klase ng business, halimbawa, bagong real estate agency sa isang city, you can set the Phantom to run on a schedule. Go to settings, choose repeatedly, and set it to run every 7 days. Makakuha ka ng bagong listahan ng businesses bawat week na hindi ka na gumagawa ng manual. This is a smart way para i-track yung growth sa niche mo, makita ang bagong opportunities, or build a habit of consistent outreach without doing the work manually. Ngayon, tignan natin ang pros and cons ng paggamit ng Phantom Buster para sa local lead generation. The biggest advantage is what would take hours to pull manually from Google Maps, names, addresses, and websites can be done in minutes. Mas efficient, at para sa local business targeting, mas accurate ito kumpara sa pagbili ng old databases o paggamit ng broad B2B list. Bukod pa dito, sobrang customizable nito. Kaya kontrolado mo yung exact keywords and location. Ibig sabihin, yung lead list mo, exactly yung klase ng business na gusto mong ma-reach. At dahil pwede mong i-export sa Google Sheets o CSV, madali mo na itong mapaplug diretso sa CRM, email, tool, or tracking sheet mo. Pero syempre, may ilang limitations din. Phantom Buster can only pull data that's publicly visible. Kung yung business mo wala namang website o contact info sa Google profile nila, hindi nito ma-fill yung missing info. In those cases, you'll need to enrich your list using a separate tool. Isa pa, hindi vina-verify o vina-validate ng Phantom Buster yung contact info. Yung nakukuha lang niya yung papakita. Kaya nasa sayo pa rin, siguraduhin na usable yung data, lalo na kung gagamitin mo to para sa client outreach o cold email. Finally, tulad ng lahat ng scraping tools, kung may binago sa source site, dito sa Google Maps, pwedeng masira paminsan-minsan yung automation. Regular naman na ina-update ng Phantom Buster yung Phantoms nila. But it's still something to keep in mind if you rely on it for high volume work. Okay, so ngayon, gusto ko lang i-review yung pricing at plan options para malinaw sa'yo kung anong magiging impact sa budget mo at kung alin plan yung pinaka-fit sa'yo. Kung i-click mo yung exclusive link namin sa description, diretso ka na sa upgrade. May ilang options dito, may free plan, at pwede ka rin pumili sa annual o monthly billing depende sa gusto mo. I'll focus sa annual billing kasi makakasave ka ng 20% kung pipiliin mo mag-sign up and magbayad yearly. May free trial din sila, 14 days, walang credit card required. Kasama dito ang 2 hours execution time, 1,000 AI credits, 5 Phantom slots, limited exports, and bonus na 50 email credits. Para sa starter, pro, and team plans, pareho lang ang features. Ang pinagkaiba lang, mas marami ang bawat item. Mas maraming execution time, AI credits, and Phantom slots. Kasama rin sa bawat plan ng unlimited exports, community access, and priority support. Ang starter plan is $56 per month kapag binayaran annually. Kasama dito ang 20 hours of execution time bawat buwan, 10k AI credits, 5 Phantom slots, at may bonus na 500 email credits per month. Ang pro plan ay $128 per month kapag binayaran annually. Kasama lahat ng nasa starter plan pero mas marami, 80 hours of execution time per month, 30k AI credits bawat buwan kumpara sa 10k, and 15 Phantom slots imbes na 5. Ang team plan ay $352 per month paid annually. Pareho pa rin sa features pero mas maraming execution time, AI credits, at mas malalaking bonuses habang tumataas ang plan mo. Mas maganda magsimula sa free trial muna. Tignan kung swak sa system and business mo tapos saka ka mag-upgrade. So should you use Phantom Buster for local business lead lead generation. Kung nag-offer ka ng service o product sa local business at naglalaan ka ng kahit konting oras para sa mano-manong pag-gather ng leads, then yes, worth it gamitin ng Phantom Buster. It gives you a consistent way to build accurate lists, track new businesses, at ma-scale ang outreach o partnership efforts mo nang hindi kailangan mag-hire ng full-time researcher. Sobrang helpful to lalo na sa mga marketers, freelancers, agency owners, o founders na nagtetest ng bagong offers. Anyone who need to validate or fill a pipeline quickly using real data. The key is using it as a system, not one-time tool. Set up your targeting, schedule ang runs, linisin ang output, at laging may bagong batch na leads na ready gamitin. One of the best parts sa paggamit ng tools tulad ng Phantom Buster ay gumawa siya ng space sa business mo. Instead na mag-spend ng oras sa paulit-ulit na tasks, you can build system that work in the background and give you the time and focus to work on what really matters. Kung nagbibuild ka ng product, growing a service, or just trying to operate more efficiently, malaking bagay ang maliliit na automations tulad nito. Hindi mo kailangan i-automate lahat, pero kahit magsimula ka sa isang reliable na process, pwede na nitong baguhin ng malaki yung paraan mo ng pagtatrabaho. Kung gusto mo naman na try ang Phantom Buster, nasa description yun link. Pwede kang makakuha ng free trial at mag-explore ng latest features nila. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means kumikita kami ng maliit na commission, pero wala namang dagdag na gastos from you. Kung gagamitin mo ang link namin, thank you in advance at malaking tulong to para makapagpatuloy kaming gumawa ng free content gaya nito. This channel is dedicated to helping early stage founders and solo entrepreneurs grow smarter, faster, and with better tools. Kung nakatulong sa yung video na to, huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe at mag-iwan ng comments at questions sa baba kasi gusto naming makarinig mula sa inyo. Salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.